Right.
You're the first set of wrestlers. Please get your ankle bands on at this time. Table help, we need you to get your tables free.
That's a clock.
Yeah, you just click start, right? And like stop when he says stop or blows the whistle.
Okay, that's only for a 1 minute round.
Is it this one?
Yeah, that's easier. Okay.
And then reset.
And then like you'll just reset. Right? And like when he calls something like takedown or something, like he'll say takedown too, and it already like states like which one's which. And like if it's green or red, he'll let you know. He'll be like takedown green or like.
And then you just hit this one.
Takedown, yeah.
All right. So you hit the ones here in the middle, not the ones over here on the side.
Yeah, that would be for green. The other side for red.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're still. Well, I listened to half of your class because you had a soft one.
Awesome.
Table help, please report to your tables. Table help, please report to your tables. If you're about one or about two wrestlers, you need to report to your mat. Table help, as you get your first wrestlers, go ahead and ankle band those kids. Once more, first bout wrestlers, report to your tables, get ankle banded.
Okay.
Coaches, if you're competing for the team championship, your team rosters to be filled out and turned in before the first round. Those team rosters are available up here at Central Bracketing. On those team rosters, coach, no reviews.
Okay, so that's automatically going to give him 2 points and 0 points. So you don't even have to worry about
Nothing.
points, nothing.
Okay. So if he says reversal red, then we do
everything and anything that can possibly happen on bottom, anything and everything that can possibly happen.
Okay, so we have to pay attention to the ones who are wearing green and the ones who are wearing red. So if my guy is wearing green, I have to pay attention to what green is.
Well, he's gonna have wristbands on, and whatever side he holds up, this side will be green, this side will be red.
Right.
And you'll just pay attention to what he's holding up. Okay. And the referee's gonna be your guys' expert. You guys are gonna work as a team. And any problems you have, feel free to stop the match and call him in.
Stop the clock when you stop the match?
Yeah, stop the clock, stop the match, throw your towel out there, and say, I got a question. And that's not a big deal for you.
And usually they keep an eye on the score themselves.
Yeah, they do a good job.
Yeah.
Do they?
You guys aren't alone there. You guys want to keep an eye around, make sure you guys
Okay.
That's all we
Are they
do.
all 1 minute period?
Yeah, all the times are preset, so if they go up by any problem or they go down, because once you start losing, the time goes down the first period, so don't change it. All you guys do is get started. The main thing is, say this match is over, and it ended 2-0 with the ball, you'll just hit result, it'll automatically choose this guy, and then you'll just save result.
So in all the end of the matches, all we do is hit results.
Exactly.
All of the end of the matches.
Yep. And then if you guys have a question for us, all you have to do is hit that chat and then type in your question and it goes straight to us.
Okay, and then
And that's the
If you're the first set of wrestlers, please get to your tables and get your ankle bands on.
These are going to be your
Table
next
help.
wrestlers. So you guys want to get these two
Get your
ankle
ankle bands on the first set of wrestlers
to get that flow going.
at this time.
So whoever's sitting next to the computer, start yelling for those names. And then
so I have to go around yelling for names?
no, just sit, because they should come up to the table. They know when they're wrestling. If they don't hear you, just match up. Say, so-and-so's not here, I'll announce it. They get 3 tries on the mic before they're out. Okay.
So match. If they're not here, you hit the match?
The chat.
The chat, okay. And the towel is that green one?
Yeah.
Okay, just toss it in?
Yeah, you can hit the ref, but we usually get kids that want to do that, so we don't care. Whatever it works for you.
Yeah.
I don't mind. I can work this with you guys. Yeah. I was like, I figured. Alright.
No. Go ahead.
Table help, please report to your tables at this time.